Hey everyone, this is Neha here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Cook House. Today we are learning two easy recipes for raitas. Green chili coriander raita and carrot cranberry raita. Let's begin. Today we are making carrot cranberry raita. For this we need 1 cup of fresh curd, I have taken 2 medium-sized carrot grated. Add this to the curd. Mix the curd with it nicely. Now we'll add this cranberry. Add salt according to your taste. Now we'll prepare the tarka for the raita. For raita, I heat up a pan and put 1 to 1.5 teaspoon olive oil. Now add mustard seeds or rye, 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped green chilies. Now add curry leaves. Now this add to the raita. Today we'll make coriander green chili raita. First we'll take 1 cup of curd, beat it well. Now heat up a pan or karai. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Now add rye or mustard seeds or little bit of ajwine to it. Add ginger, grated ginger. Add green chili and add coriander leaves. And switch off the flame. Add salt according to your taste. I have taken half teaspoon. Your coriander green chili raita is ready. You can serve it with anything, pulao, paratha. My kids love this raita with this masala multi-grain paratha. If you want to know how I make this multi-grain rotis or paratha, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.